think that's a regressive tax, and so they repealed that, and back then that was $230 billion. And you know, back during that time when things were good, some things happened, and I was part of the legislature this last decade. We made some tax cuts, and lo and behold, when we get to totaling them up, you know, it's $500 to $600 million in revenue that we no longer enjoy as a state or as legislators. So in saying that, when we faced what has been clearly revealed to be the worst downturn in the nation's economy in the States since the Great Depression, it left us in a very difficult situation. I don't know if the public really realizes what we have been through and what we're going to face in the future. You know, when we look at the state's budget, just back in 2008, fiscal year 2008, we had a little bit over $8 billion in what we call general revenue money. That's the money that the state collects from the earnings that you make, your income tax, business and industries tax that they pay in, and the state sales tax. You know, we were a little over $8 billion, and I don't care what the people in Washington or the federal government tells you. I think Linda, the governor, will agree with me that $1 billion still goes quite a ways in Missouri, even in 2011. And so we had a little over $8 billion, and then this last fiscal year in 2010, we totaled up our general revenue dollars, and it was $6.774 billion. So just think of that. In 2008, we had GR money, general revenue money, of over $8 billion. Last year it ended, we had 6.774. So you can see the dramatic decrease that we had in our revenue. And, you know, thank goodness things are starting to inch upward in the way of revenue. I don't know if Linda told you or not, but we're seeing revenue come in at, you know, about 4% greater than what it was last year at this time. And that's all great news, because we've seen revenue slowly creeping upward since about September of last year. And I tell you what, when you've gone through as many months of declining revenue that we have here in Missouri, that's good news. But I know I need to be cautious that I don't get too giddy and we don't get too excited, because 4% growth on $6.774 billion still leaves us a good ways away from 2008, and actually takes us back to 2006 fiscal year figures. So, you know, it's going to be tough. It's going to be difficult in the next 2 to 3 years. It really is. And that's why in the Missouri Senate, the last 2 sessions, we've undertaken the initiative to go through what we call a reboot Missouri state government effort. And we believe that there's still some areas that we can find some savings and some efficiencies. But I believe that because we've been through such a tough economic downturn, and because I have not seen any evidence at this point in time that our citizens here in the state of Missouri as a whole want to see any dramatic tax increase, that the way to go is to look